Water.
Water you want? And I want to give you one news. That is my husband. हम लोग जा रहे हैं home. Class is over.
Teacher said I had to finish homework now only.
Why?
She said if you're tired, you can do it in the evening. But I'm never tired, so I'll do it now. I told
Fine. What about you having breakfast? And now Yay! Nice. What Hannah will eat?
no,
Nothing.
nothing.
Why?
I want to do.
Dudu only.
Do you sure?
No, we'll eat bread, okay?
No.
No, Dudu, no, directly Dudu, okay?
Water.
Water you want?
I hate water.
Okay, fine. I'll give you water first.
I want to eat.
Eat what?
Some.
Eat bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on.
Sing one song for me.
I do the sheet on.
What you said? Which is your right hand, by the way?
Yeah.
Which is your left hand?
Yeah.
Ah, which is your right leg?
Here.
And which is your left leg?
Here.
Okay, which is your right eyes? Both are right. Which is right eye? Eye. Here, this one is right eye and this one is left eye. Okay, which is your right ear? One at a time, okay? Yes, that's right. Nanu, I want to give you one news. Teacher just sent message. The elocution round, you have been shortlisted, by the way, for the final round. Are you guys ready?
So I do. Yeah. Say it again.
You have to say. You remember? Come on, let's practice. It was open for all the children, and
Acha.
from all the children, he is selected.
Only
We should
one?
be proud.
Only one?
Only me.
I don't know whether he only, but he is selected.
Proud that he's selected for elocution.
Elocution.
And you had to give me the gift of Rubik's Cube. That is all I'm going to give.
Working Rubik's Cube you opened.
Final. Now you have to be the winner. Then only you'll get the Rubik's cubes.
Respected all. Today I have been blessed.
That is my husband cleaning today, क्योंकि यहाँ का जो विंडो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डर्टी हो गया था. एंड हमारी जो मेड आती है शी इज़ लाइक एट दिस हाइट, उसके हाथ यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचते. तो ओनली पर्सन हु कैन क्लीन दिस विंडो इज़ माई हस्बैंड. बिकॉज हमारे घर में जो मेड है ना, शी इज़ लिटिल ओल्ड एंड उसको हमेशा डर लगता है हाइट से. बट शी क्लीन्स एवरीथिंग एल्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस बिग विंडो. सो ही इज़ द मैन बिहाइंड द क्लीनिंग ऑफ दिस बिग विंडोज.
It comes from the heart. We all have the same purpose.
Respected all. Today I have been blessed with this opportunity to deliver my speech on importance of water and conservative manner. Thank you for your time.
सो गाइज हम लोग हो गए हैं रेडी एंड हम लोग जा रहे हैं होम पे. लाना है कुछ सामान होम बॉक्स से. लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जब गए थे ना होम बॉक्स, तब वहाँ पर देखा था मैंने, तो उस टाइम पर बाय नहीं करना था. उस टाइम पर ज़रूरत नहीं थी, तो इसीलिए हम लोगों ने बाय नहीं किया. This is better.
What about this one?
That I don't want. One small knife.
Non-veg, whatever.
Nice one, no?
You can keep your nice
Serving plate and board also. You can use it as.
Which one?
There's a serving plate and a board also.
So what I'm saying, maybe those are kept for displaying. So you should find that color somewhere. Yeah, awesome. Is it blackout? Set of 2 means? Set of 2 means what? 2 piece or 2 sets?
हमारी शॉपिंग आधी से ज़्यादा हो गई है.
This is wood.
Oh, yeah, you have to show here for this. That's Boo Boo outside. तो हम लोगों की शॉपिंग हो गई है एंड हस्बैंड गए हैं पे करने के लिए. हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. These corners are the best corner. Whenever we get tired, we just come and sit on one of the sofas and enjoy ourselves. जब भी मैं होम बॉक्स में आती हूँ ना, I get so much confused क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं ना कि मुझे लेनी है लेकिन लेने का टाइम प्रॉपर नहीं होता है. The same thing. मैं लेने आई थी कुछ, वो तो ले लिया मैंने, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा भी ले लिया. That is what happens with me always. I have to make small, okay? Once I make
Come on.
it is second, not third, guys. Whoa! Hannah is running.
That's shoes.
That's Hannah's shoes.
That's my shoes. And this is
This is mine. Fine.
This is my shoes.
This is Daddy's shoes.
And this is my shoes.
Oh no! How?
No, this is my shoes.
Where to go, Hannah?
Here.
Slowly, Baba, on the main road. This way. This way. So finally, Hetam got the.
But this is not what I wished for.
एक्चुअली रात के बज रहे हैं 9:15 और बच्चों ने भी खाना खा लिया है, लेकिन हमें इतनी भूख लगी है. एक्चुअली वी वर थिंकिंग वी विल गो होम बिकॉज खाना बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो वी वर थिंकिंग वी विल गो होम एंड ईट, बट आई एम सो हंग्री that I don't think so I'm going to wait for more time. So my husband arranged some food for us in the car itself.
Wow.
We are going to enjoy our food on this street but sitting in the car. This is a chicken sukka, whatever. Chukka with parathas. हम लोगों ने डिनर कर लिया है and we are come over here to eat ice cream. जासमिस पहुंच गए हम लोग. आइसक्रीम भी खत्म हो गई है and they are preparing the new ice cream. That's what Dad is telling us from far. I'm looking like a ghost over here. Wow. So it's been around almost 5 से 10 मिनट हो गए हैं. आइसक्रीम आ रही है अब and ये सही है and सच है कि आइसक्रीम लाने नहीं, आइसक्रीम बनाने गए थे. And there is Daddy. You'll put your face in the ice cream.
Or you'll polish the ice cream on your face. Daddy.
Okay, first ice cream finger. तो रात के बज रहे हैं अराउंड 12 o'clock. 12:30 बज रहे हैं. हम लोग गए थे यहाँ से आई थिंक अराउंड 5:30 ऐसे, और अभी बज रहे हैं 12:30 और इतने लेट हम लोग पहुँचे. हाँ, just 11 o'clock and I am thinking it's 12:30 because everything when we were coming out from there everything was closed down. It's 11:30. जो चीज़ें हम लोगों ने लाई है मैं शायद कल के वाले ब्लॉग में शेयर करूँगी. Anyways, इस ब्लॉग को यहीं पे एंड करते हैं. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, take care and
Bye bye. I'm riding my cycle.
bye.